A high-quality smoothie blender is essential for creating silky, nutritious blends packed with fresh ingredients. In this video, we're excited to introduce you to the top 5 smoothie blenders that will elevate your smoothie game to a whole new level of deliciousness and healthiness. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Wolf Gourmet High Performance Blender. With a robust 2.4 peak HP motor, this blender is a powerhouse, propelling its blades to speeds exceeding 210 miles per hour, effortlessly tackling the toughest ingredients. What sets it apart is the infinitely variable manual speed setting, giving you precise control over your blends. Whether you prefer silky smooth purees or chunky soups, this blender caters to your exact preferences. Additionally, it features 4 pre-programmed settings: smoothie, puree, soup, and ice crush, ensuring consistent, professional results with the convenience of walk-away blending. The intuitive LCD control panel keeps you informed, displaying blending time, selected speed, or program settings. And with a reassuring 5-year limited warranty, the Wolf Gourmet High Performance Blender is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a long-term investment in culinary excellence. Number 2. Ninja AMZ493BRN Blender for Smoothies. This blender is designed to handle anything you throw at it with ease, thanks to its powerful crushing abilities, driven by the stacked blade assembly and high-performance Pro Extractor blades assembly. From frozen ingredients to ice, it can handle it all. But that's not all. This versatile machine goes beyond blending. It includes a 5-cup precision processor bowl with chopping and dough blade assembly, giving you the freedom to process food with precision. With 1200 watts of performance power, it's not just a blender, it's a food processor and ice crusher all in one. Ninja's Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending by using intelligent programs that adjust pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to achieve perfect results every time. On-the-go convenience is a breeze with the 18-ounce single-serve cup and spout lid, allowing you to blend and take your creations with you. And cleaning up is a breeze with dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts. With the Ninja AMZ493BRN Blender for Smoothies, the possibilities are endless. Plus, it comes with a 15-recipe inspiration guide to get you started on your blending adventures. Number 3. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. With 5 convenient program settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning, this blender ensures walk-away convenience and consistent results. But that's not all. It pairs seamlessly with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, unlocking a world of possibilities with 17 additional programs and over 500 recipes available on both iOS and Android. The sleek touchscreen controls not only give this machine a modern silhouette, but also make cleanup a breeze. You're in control with variable speed control and a pulse feature, allowing you to fine-tune the texture of any recipe to your exact preference. Built-in wireless connectivity is a game-changer. The motor base reads the container size you've chosen and automatically adjusts program settings and blending times accordingly. You can even add a range of compatible container sizes, creating a customized blending system tailored to your needs. No need to worry about over or under processing your recipes, thanks to the programmable timer. Set it to the desired blend time, and the blender will automatically turn off, ensuring perfect results every time. In the box, you'll find the motor base, a low-profile 64 ounces container, a low-profile classic tamper, and the Simply Blending cookbook to inspire your culinary adventures. Number 4. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. This blender boasts a state-of-the-art 3-part blending system that's designed to make your blending tasks a breeze. It combines a vortex-creating rib jar design, an innovative asymmetric blade, and the intelligence of IntelliSpeed motor control. This control system automatically senses the contents of the jar and maintains the optimal blending speed for superior results. Say goodbye to the struggles of blending tough ingredients like kale and almonds. The K400 takes on even the most challenging challenging foods, turning them into smooth and delicious creations. Cleaning up is a snap with the self-clean cycle. Simply add water and a drop of soap to the jar, run the self-clean cycle, and you're done. Experience versatility like never before with the variable speed dial, allowing you to create a wide range of textures from silky smooth to delightfully chunky. Plus, choose from 3 preset recipe programs: Ice Crush, Icy Drink, or Smoothie, for added convenience. Unlock even more possibilities with your blender by adding the 6-ounce small batch jar expansion pack or the 16-ounce personal blender jar expansion pack, which you can buy separately. Number 5. Breville BB9 Lira 20BSS Super Q Blender. This commercial-grade blender boasts the most powerful motor on the market, with a staggering 1800-watt rating and a blade tip speed of 186 mph under load. It's engineered for speed and precision, ensuring that your smoothies, soups, and creations achieve the perfect texture every time, all while operating quietly, thanks to noise suppression technology. With 5 one-touch programs and 12 speed settings, this blender is incredibly versatile. It handles everything from silky smoothies to crushing ice, making hot soups, and even creating nut butters and fine milled flour. But what truly sets the Super Q apart is its personal blender attachment. It includes an additional blade system designed for your personal blender, automatically recognizing your choice of the 68 ounces jug or the personal blender, optimizing performance accordingly. Cleaning is a breeze with the auto clean function, plus the innovative assist lid with a unique ring pull design makes it easy to remove and seals tightly during operation. It comes with a recipe book, tamper, spatula, and an extra durable 68 ounces copolyester jug, along with a 24 ounces personal blending cup. Plus, it's backed by a 10-year limited product warranty. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.